Hi everyone, I'm Audris from Kalvasta Timber, a timber construction company based in Vilnius, Lithuania. We are proud to be the first in Lithuania to design unique standardized timber solutions for residential, commercial, and industrial buildings. We have our own factory in Latvia where we produce CLT, glulam, and prefab elements for developers and construction companies. At Kalvasta Timber, we love wood and believe that timber construction is the future. It is sustainable, fast, and more profitable. You can build up to 4 times faster, reduce cost and increase returns, create healthier and more productive spaces. To stay ahead, we use modern tools like CLT Toolbox. It helps us to design more efficiently, calculating faster, avoiding mistakes, and saving time, all with great customer support. We're excited about our partnership. Let's build smarter, faster, and greener together.